First, we are going to draw the piñata. Cut it out. And then, we are going to attach a 5 inches corrugated wax. But first, you are going to roll it a little bit like that until you finish. And then, we are going to attach this in our piñata. But don't forget to turn it over. And continue until you cover all the sides of the piñata. Now we are going to put a handle here. But first we are going to attach this thick box here. Roll a small piece of box, then attach it here. Then we are going to put 2 holes here. There. Then we are going to use a cable tie for our handle. There you go. Now we are going to cover it and glue it starting here. Just continue until you finish gluing all the sides. And then we are going to cut this off. But before that, we are going to make a small pieces like this and attach it to the piñata. You will only do this if you are using a thin material. But if you are using thick one like corrugated wax, you don't need it. Just do it all over it. There. And then we are just going to cut this. Cut the crepe paper like this. We are going to attach this crepe paper starting here. The glue is hot, so I'm using this rubber glove fingertip to protect my finger from the hot glue gun. We finished putting the paper from here, and you have to change color from here, see, and then continue until the top. Then you are going to start again from here. We're done all the sides, and this is how will it look like. Now we are going to start again here. Next is we are going to draw the part of the face like this one. I drew it already, and just cut it out. Another option is just print it out and stick it to the piñata. And let's just glue it to the piñata. There we go. This is our finished product. And we are going to put a hole here where you will fill it with candies, chocolates, treats, even money, anything you want to fill in this piñata.